And he's proved that in the past. So already Lucky Last. And the gates fly back racing now. Pretty even line. Plickfire, he's fired up out of the gates and he scoots across the face of the field. He's going to lead them easily out of the straight the first time. Golden Unbeatable trying to kick up underneath him, followed then by Kingdom Chief Fang, who's out a bit deep. Not as deep though as Danny Star, who presses on forward. Fortune Ahead lands fifth the rail. Outside of him is Lucky to Win. Then Captain Brentford on the back of them. Two back to the Grey Superlative Choice. Host Wind Prosperous is the tail ender. Plickfire, a length and a half in advance. Golden Unbeatable as they run into the back. Out 3 and 4 deep. Danny Star. Kingdom Chief Fang probing between runners. Danny Star, the widest runner in the pink cap. Tucked away back on the rail, getting the run of the race is Fortune Ahead. Then in the centre came Lucky to Win. Captain Brentford in the red cap, the rail, followed by Host Wind Prosperous, and back at the tail of the field is Superlative Choice. Plickfire leads them a merry dance as they run towards the 500, a length in advance. Kingdom Chief Fang pumped up, trying to get closer. Golden Unbeatable travels well. He's had the run of the race. It got a bit snug there for Fortune Ahead as they round the bend for home. Golden Unbeatable slips through on the inside of Plickfire, who's still got a kick. Golden Unbeatable, Plickfire. Kingdom Chief Fang with the blinkers first time might blow them all away. Golden Unbeatable digging in under Corrales. 3 parts in advance. Plickfire coming back with Kingdom Chief Fang. Golden Unbeatable in front. He'll hold on, and Golden Unbeatable beats Kingdom Chief Fang. Plickfire third. Fortune Ahead not far away. Then came Host Wind Prosperous, Lucky to Win, Captain Brentford, Danny Star, and Superlative Choice. Surrendered the lead up to Plickfire. It worked out to be a good move. He got a beautiful run. Did Golden Unbeatable in transit. Kingdom Chief Fang with the winkers on first time has run a mighty race, and Plickfire certainly gave plenty of cheek at a price as well. But 3.4 at the off for Golden Unbeatable with the wash up. Fortune Ahead ended up the $30 favourite, but he'll win the last. Golden Unbeatable by the best part of a neck. So the 4 Golden Unbeatable beats the 7 Kingdom Chief Fang and the 5 Plickfire. Number 4 Golden Unbeatable, Rubik. Pian is the mare, and Louis Corrales for Tommy Che and Peter Lation. Tommy Che the prime trainer there. As we look at the head-on replay, Plickfire wanted to make the home bend pretty wide. Don't really think you needed to do that, and Golden Unbeatable has been able to take advantage of that, getting right up on the inside. Kingdom Chief Fang, cheeky run with the winkers on. Fortune Ahead got a good run in transit. He got on the heels, I feel, of Golden Unbeatable about the 5 or the 450 there. Might have got some slight inconvenience. He wasn't far away. 7 Kingdom Chief Fang for second. Atlante, she's a cougar, the mare. And 5 Plickfire, Soburg, Hurdles, Roger Yu for Suchung. 4, 7, 5 and 2, Fortune Ahead, running into 4th spot. Get away, bit of a scrimmage there with Superlative Choice and Lucky to Win. Plickfire with plenty of speed, and Corrales wisely letting him go. There's a close-up of the finish. Had to work a bit hard for it, but saved a lot of ground around the home turn when Plickfire went fairly wide. This horse, Golden Unbeatable, and Corrales able to take full advantage of that.